If you want the biggest Hostinger discount available right now, you're in the right place. Hostinger is running a huge sale where you can get up to 85% off plus an extra discount with my exclusive Hostinger coupon code that I've added below this video. Depending on when you're watching this, the coupon code can save you up to an additional 15% off, and even if you're watching later, it still gives you the maximum extra discount available at the time, which is an extra 10% off. So no matter when you use it, you're getting the best price Hostinger is offering right now. To get the best Hostinger coupon code discount, just click the link in the description below. I've added the Hostinger coupon code next to the link to add at checkout. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Hostinger discount. Here's what the current Hostinger deal includes. Premium web hosting as low as $166 a month for a limited time, perfect if you're starting a blog, portfolio, or small business site. Business web hosting as low as $234 a month for a limited time, more speed, more resources, and daily backups. Cloud startup plan as low as $633 a month for a limited time, ideal if you want higher performance for busy sites. And on any annual plan, you'll also get a free domain name for 1 full year. Just a heads up, monthly plans don't include the free domain name or the extra discount, so make sure you choose an annual or longer term to get the most savings. To lock in the lowest possible price, choose the 48-month term at checkout. That's where you'll see the full 85% off, and then the exclusive coupon code in the description takes off even more on top of that. Again, right now the code takes off up to an extra 15% off, but after this sale window ends, it'll automatically switch to the maximum extra discount available, which is 10%. Either way, you're saving more than what Hostinger shows up front, so before you sign up or pay full price, click the link in the description and use the Hostinger coupon code to get the biggest discount available right now. If this video helped you save some money, hit like, subscribe for more hosting deals, and let me know in the comments if you have any Hostinger questions. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new website.